GuangZhou KengMing Trading Company Limited is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of snow ice machine, ice cream machine, ice cube machine, leisure catering equipment, hamburg chain store equipment, etc. We are located in GuangZhou with convenient transportation access. We dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our professional staff members will provide you with satisfactory solutions and products based on the customer's needs. Through their professional skills, literacy, and team brainstorming, research, and discussion. The snow ice machine that was produced by our company in 2017, it has been very popular with leisure and catering enterprises after years of technological innovation and upgrading. Our company serves 5,500 chain franchise stores and collaborates with over 500 catering brand enterprises. In addition, we have obtained export certificates authorized by the state, as well as relevant quality inspection certificates. Now, our machine not only selling well in all cities and provinces around China, but also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the United States, Malaysia, South Korea, Thailand, India, and so on. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or customized products for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.